Hi, and welcome to a brand new series that I'm thinking of. So, I'll start off by saying this. This world is pre-made. I have had this world for years now, and it's filled with mods. 72 mods. And this is a Minecraft 1.6.4. Yes, I know, an old version, but it's a long story of why I play this version with this many mods. Anyway, so again, this world is pre-made, and I thought it'd be cool to start, showing what I do. So for this first vid, I'm just gonna get into it. We got to do some power plant work. I have a power plant, and I need to make sure the power is going where it needs to be going. So these are on nuclear reactors. So I have reactors 2 through 6 on. That's 5 reactors powered on. I just want to find out where and what they power. I mean, I know what they power, but I don't know how well the power is consolidated. Yeah. So now again, so this world is really big too. I have a bunch of different mods, such as Industrial Craft 2, experimental version. Sorry about that. Experimental version. Buildcraft, Quarry Plus, Thermal Expansion. Let's see here. Railcraft is a big one. Very, very into railcraft. I think it's really cool. So whenever you see a bunch of like train tracks around, that's for railcraft and my kind of mainline distribution industrial system. Yeah. So these are the reactors. These are what they look like inside. Each one takes 5 quad fuel rod uranium. And there are a total of 16 reactors in here, and only 5 of them are in use. Each one creates more than enough electricity, well, power. Even like one of them could power the entire world, but I like having a bunch of them on. So yeah. And also, if you're wondering how I'm flying, it's a mod. This what I'm using is a jetpack, quantum suit body armor, which comes with a jetpack. Can't really see it on the armor, but it's there. So IC2 has armor called a quantum suit body armor, and yeah, comes with a jetpack, and that's how I fly. I also use X-ray, but I only the X-ray. I don't use it to find resources or anything like that. I use it to see through walls, to see where things are, because so I can see like which direction this wire goes and what's behind this wall. Yeah, I don't use it to hack, or well, I mean, I don't use it to cheat. That's lame. Sorry about that. Ignore that. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. So this is I make some signs. Yeah. Nice. That worked. That went well. Come on. Come on. And then so the farm power is like that. Oh wait, hold on. And then regional power or general power is this one right here. Nice. Okay, that just looks great. I love that. I love that. That looks fucking fantastic. Where the heck can I put this? Where the heck can I put this sign? I'm just gonna put it right here. Alright. Regional power. If you're wondering, hey, will this power plant ever explode? Be the next Minecraft Chernobyl? Probably not. These reactors are very, very safe, and they have never once, in the 4 years that I have been using them, exploded. So, there's that. Alright, yeah. So, phone power uses these. What should I do? What should I do? Trying to think. Trying to think how I want to do this. So reactors. Oh my God! Shut up. Reactors 4, 5, and 6 go into the regional power. Regional power. Phone power just goes off that, and that is powered by reactors 2, 3. Yeah. You know what? I think it's good. I think it's good the way it is. Yeah, that should be enough power. Just gotta silence Discord real quick. Alright, there you go. Okay, yeah. Need to check on the farm. Wonder if you can hear that in the background. I don't know if you can. I'm getting Discord notifications on my phone. These are all filled with seeds. Actually, well, these ones are. And some wheat. Yes, I made all these fucking strong boxes. I didn't hack them in here. I made all these. Remember, I've had this word a long, long time. And know how to make stuff. To say the least. So let's get filled up. So every so often, when these chests are full all the way up to like this one or this one, I'll have a train come and pick them up. And then that train takes them to here. Right there, right where those are. And they go up here. This is the fabrication plant where stuff gets made. As you can see, I am full up on bread. I have way too much bread. Way too much. And then there's all this over here. Hold on, wait. Okay, there's that up here, there's that up there. This still is filled with wheat, because this is too much. And this is after 2 loads, I believe. Yeah, 2 loads. 1 load is 1 train, 2 loads is 2 trains. Yeah. Yeah, so need to have another. You know what? It can stay. It can stay like that for now. Yeah. Yeah. What next? I know I got a bunch of stuff to do, but I gotta remember it. You know what I really need? You know what I really need? I need milk. I want milk. I want to mass produce milk in this world. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Yeah. I put some rubber in these furnaces a while ago. Oh yes, give me that XP. Wow, pretty good haul. I have lots of iron, but actually, I have a ton of iron. You want to see all my iron? You want to see all my iron? Actually, wrong place. There's a lot of places in this world. This is how much iron I have. I've been stockpiling all this iron over 2 months, 3 months. And I'm gonna wait until I get all the rest of this space cleared. So let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 6 is 72. So what is 72 times 64? 72 times 64. Wow. 4,600 iron ingots. That is a lot of iron ingots. Like an ass load. Holy shit. Alright. That's how much iron I have. 4,600 ingots. Yeah. So power plant is fine. That sound that you hear are my elephants. They're kind of annoying after a while, but I like their company. If you don't like them, well, why'd you watch? But anyway, sorry. Gotta figure out something to do. Let's go to Musha Mile. This is the end of the main line, by the way. This right here. Main line end. This track goes all the way back to the base. Over 10,000 blocks away. Just insane. 10,000 blocks. I mean, I think 10,000. I think 10,000 is a lot. Maybe you don't, but I do. How do I get these? Idea. Oh, I just had an idea. I just had an idea. I just had an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. Ooh, I have an idea. That's a way to get all these, start getting that mushroom soup and other crap. Ooh, I have an idea. I have a great idea. Ooh, yes. First of all, let me put all this shit away. No, it's RF. Okay, alright, test in here. T3 items in here. Okay, alright. Let's go back for those fucking those mushroom cows. The mushroom cows. I'm gonna call them the mushroom cows, because that's what they are, the mushroom cows. I mean, mushrooms grow on their back, so what else do you want me to call them? Come here. Come here. Usually, oh my gosh, there's a lot. There's many. There's many. But I don't get it, because the last time I was here, I didn't see any damn mushroom cows, but now they're all spawning. Hey, I'm not complaining about it. You hear me complaining about it? Nope. So how do these things mate? Oh, they mate the same way as regular cows do. Nice. Okay, let's go get some more. This is my snake, Salvador. He's a cobra. Disregard those green swirly things. I think a nuke went off here recently. The fuck are you doing there?